In today's video, we're going over how you can start off with $1,000 and make $8,000 within just the first 2 months with absolutely no work required. Yes guys, we're going over how you can invest $1,000 to make over $7,000 in your first 2 months of investing. No work required, completely passive income. If you stay tuned until the end of this video, you will learn how to make $7,000 completely passively. This method will allow you to quit your job. If you work a job, you are working 8 hours and you're sleeping around 8 hours, so that's 16 hours of your day getting absolutely wasted so that somebody can put money in your pockets. But if you go self-employed, you can obviously control your own destiny. You can work 24/7 at home doing whatever you want to do to make yourself as rich as possible. If you stay tuned to the end of this video, you will fully learn how to passively make $8,000 in 2 months in crypto. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! What's good, YouTube? As you can see from the intro, we're talking about how you can make $7,000 completely passively and absolutely doing no work at all. Guys, this method that I'm about to explain to you absolutely works. It has allowed me to quit my job at the age of just 20 years old. You can make up to 6 or even 7 figures a year with this method and with this company. Guys, the only thing this method takes is a little bit of discipline, because for you to make this $7,000, you can't touch your initial investment. To make $7,000 in just 2 months, the company is called Novatech. Novatech is a crypto investment trading company that does all the trading for you. Novatech indulges in forex trading, crypto trading, and stock market trading. They have a team of investors, and that's all they do is invest every day, every week, every hours to fill your pocket. So how Novatech works is they have customers just like myself. They have their members. They have loyal members that has been there for over 4 years, that has racked up over millions of dollars working with Novatech. But regular people just like me will put their money into a trading account. Say you invest $1,000, guys. If you invest $1,000 in a trading account with Novatech, you can make 3% compound interest each week off of your investment. So if you invest $100,000, you are making $3,000 every single week compound interest, meaning if you guys invest $100,000 on January, you will make $3,000 a week. You will make $3,000 a week, which is $12,000 a month. But the next month, all that money is just compounded on top of each other. So now you're making 3% compound interest on $112,000 for the month of February. So guys, this is a very good way to stack your money up, and this is what the rich do to get richer. If you want to eventually quit your job, if you want to start generational wealth, and if you want to make passive income, this is one of the best ways to do it. And this is how most of the 1% is making extra money on top of their money. To start this method up, all you have to do is make an account with Novatech crypto trading platform in the link in my description. Be sure to hit that link in the description, because there is a $25 monthly membership fee after your first month. But if you click that link, guys, you can get the first 2 months free with my link. You can save $50 signing up with Novatech. Big warning, guys, big standby. I fully suggest you start out with over $100 or even over $200 initial investment, because this is what's gonna happen. If you start out with only $100, which is the minimum that you could put in your account after 48 hours. If you don't have $100 in your account within 48 hours after you make your account, they will take your account down. So you have to start off with $100, but this is not suggested, because after you start off with that $100, you're making $3 a week, which is $12 a month. But the monthly membership fee, which is $25, will pretty much have you in the negative. So each month you will be making less than what you're supposed to make, because all your investment, all your interest is getting eaten up by that monthly membership fee. But if you just do the quick math on $200, guys, you'll be able to make some good money slowly starting up with your initial investment. If you want to make the big boy money, if you want to invest big and make some decent money to try to quit your job so that you can have the time for your family, for your own business, and so that you can make money online the easy way, you would have to put in at least $10,000 to $15,000 or even $5,000, guys, and just let it sit there. Don't withdraw your money. You have to let it stack and compound. They have an automatic option on the Novatech app that allows you to automatically compound your money so that you won't have to go on the app every week and manually input it. This feature is kind of new, but it is very helpful for those that don't feel like every Friday, which is when Novatech pays you out for your investment, every Friday, you don't have to go in there and manually compound your money. You could just simply press that automatic compound option. It'll do it for you. And then when you want to withdraw your money, no problem. All you have to wait is 2 business days so that Novatech can send your money to your crypto wallet. Now from your crypto wallet, it may take 2 to even 5 business days depending on what wallet you go with and what company you go with. Some good companies are Coinbase, Blockchain, and Gemini. FTX is a good one too, but I know in my recent videos, on my Novatech videos in the past, I did discuss I use Binance.us. Binance.us has now changed their rules for the small traders. You cannot withdraw anything under $100,000. But yeah, guys, if you want full step-by-step tutorials on how to set up your account with Novatech, I got videos right here. All the videos at the beginning of my channel explains to you step-by-step how to get started with Novatech, how to set up your account, how to withdraw your money, and how to even connect your crypto wallet. Yes, guys, I say crypto wallet. This is my second time mentioning it because this is very important. To withdraw your money from Novatech, you can't just withdraw it from Novatech to your bank account. You have to connect a crypto wallet via FTX, Coinbase, Gemini, or Blockchain. I now use Blockchain after I stopped using Binance.us. I have had no problems with them so far. They process withdrawals in just 1 business day, the next day after you want your money. But yeah, guys, you have to withdraw your money from Novatech to your crypto wallet, from your crypto wallet to your bank account. This process takes about 4 to 5 business days after your initial withdrawal request from Novatech, you know, to get into your bank account. Expect about 4 to 5 business days. And guys, like I said, if you invest $10,000, you can make $300 and more a week, and it's compounded interest, meaning you're gonna make, after the second month, you're probably going to be making $500 to $600 a week with just that $10,000 investment. It's compound interest, guys. It's free money. You don't want to miss out. Novatech is going 4 years strong. This is their 4th year with no missed payouts. They're absolutely a good company. No scams, nothing to worry about. And guys, I'm not just promoting Novatech because I work for them. No, I don't work for them. I work with them. I give them my money, they trade it, and then they give it back to me in 3% compound interest. That is why they are paying you 3% compound interest, because you've given them $10,000, $1,000, $500 of your own money. So in return, they're gonna give you 3% compound interest a week on your initial investment. It's compound interest, so it's gonna keep going up, and each week you're gonna make more and more. And if you invest a big amount of money initially, you can make up to $8,000 in just 2 months, and you can eventually quit your job and work from home and follow your dreams. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to make $1,000 turn into $8,000 using crypto, making money absolutely passively. And maybe you could quit your job one day if you take this thing serious. All that you need to do is put your money into Novatech's account and let it sit there. Don't withdraw it for a couple of months. Let it stack on top of each other, and then when you need your money, once your $1,000 has turned into $8,000, then you can do some withdrawals and make decent money every week, and you won't have to work a job ever again. I will be posting more updates on Novatech because I haven't posted Novatech videos since I first made this channel, but this crypto platform is absolutely amazing, so I can't neglect it no longer. Please go ahead and make sure you hit the link in the description and sign up with Novatech today. If you sign up with Novatech and if you want to be helpful just like me and put other people on the platform and get other people signed up, you will make a commission percentage off of each person that you sign up each week, and it doesn't affect their pockets. So it's really a go for go because you're saving them $50 by them signing up with your sign up link. For return, they are pretty much paying you a couple of dollars each week because of what you made in commissions, because of what they have made Novatech, and it just works. Money all around, everybody wins. And I guys hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel for daily videos on investing easy, trucking videos, and how to make money online. I'm KINGLATTA, you're watching Black Investors Group, and we out. Woo!